everybody! In this video we're going to talk about audio in our videos. Yesterday I was editing a course about photography that I'm about to publish, and I started to think there are several things I do with audio in my editing, and I think it's about time to do a tutorial for you guys. Okay, let's go with the first tip. Does it ever happen to you that you have filmed a project with different cameras or maybe in different environments, and that makes the audio of all your videos not necessarily match their decibels? And let me tell you that watching a video that has the audio that from time to time goes in volume up and goes the volume down, it's very uncomfortable. As you can see here, I have audio from different cameras, and I put them in different colors so that it's understandable. What we're going to do is open the Essential Sound panel, then we're going to select the audio that we have, and we're going to place it as dialogue. Then here at Loudness you will find this tool called Automatch. Click on it, and it has immediately made all the decibels of your audios match. Now if you're recording in a studio like this will not be necessary since your audio is normally coming from one single source. So that is gonna be cool. Now tip number 2, and let's talk about the remix tool. Since we have our audio corrected, we have to put a cool song with our video. I always use the platform called AUDIIO with 2 I's. It is amazing. And by the way, if you want to know more about this platform, I'll leave you a link around here and also in the description where I explain everything and how it works. The platform is really cool. I'm also going to leave you a link in the description if you're interested because there is a big discount. Okay, we already have the music, we're going to pull it to the timeline, and we realize that the song is very short. Don't worry, we come to the tools, and here you will see the remix tool. We're going to pull this song until the length we want and wait for Premiere Pro to do its magic. By the way, if you want more details about this tool, I'll leave you also a link here and also in the description with the tutorial that I did a while ago with everything you need to know about the remix tool. Look how cool this tool is. It has cut, fitted, corrected, it has made the music longer without affecting it. It is really awesome. Now tip number 3, let's talk about ducking. Do you remember that in the first tip we opened the Essential Sound panel and we said that the audio was dialogue? Well, we do it again, we select our song, and here we're going to put now music instead of dialogue. We make Premiere understand that this is music. Now we see that we have the option of ducking. And now here in the ducking option, we can see that it says duck against. We're going to select dialogue since we want the music to have the ducking so that the dialogue can be heard. For those who don't know what is ducking, it's when the music volume is lowered while you are speaking, and when you stop speaking, the volume goes back. Which normally is possible to do it manually, but it's very meticulous. You have to create a lot of keyframes and forget it. Now with this technique, Premiere Pro is gonna do it for you. Now here in these parameters, I normally leave it as it is by default, because it always worked for me, but you can always experiment. Now press generate keyframes and that is it. Amazing. If the volume is still high or you don't like it, here you can correct it where it says duck amount. If you want to know more about ducking, a while ago also I did a tutorial explaining everything about it, so of course I'm gonna leave you the link around here and also in the description below. I hope this tutorial has helped you. If you know anybody that can be helped by this tutorial, also share it, don't be selfish. And also if you know some extra tips, please share them in the comments. Let's create a community and let's help each other. And now, until next week.